German ambassador dies suddenly in Kingston, Jamaica. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the details to come.
Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report.
Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. Minister of Foreign Affairs and Foreign Trade, Senator Kamina Johnson-Smith, has expressed shock and regret at the sudden passing of Ambassador of the Federal Republic of Germany to Jamaica, Dr. Stephen Frederick Kiel. He died in Kingston, Jamaica on Thursday. He was 63 years old. Germany's Federal Foreign Office announced his passing on German embassy's website, stating that the staff of the embassy in Kingston, Jamaica are profoundly saddened by his sudden death. The ambassador, who presented the credential to the Governor General of Jamaica in August 2021, was keen on working to further strengthen the bilateral relationship between Jamaica and Germany, a release said from the Foreign Affairs Ministry of Jamaica on Friday. The Jamaica Constabulary Force JCF has since launched a probe into the sudden death of the German ambassador to Jamaica, Dr. Stephen Frederick Skeel, but up to the publication of this report, there has been no suspicious foul play. According to reports, about 2:30 p.m. yesterday afternoon, the police were summoned to the German embassy on Waterloo Road, St. Andrew, and requested to assist an individual, Dr. Keel, who was unresponsive to the hospital. He was taken to the St. Andrew's Memorial Hospital where he was pronounced dead on arrival. There should be a statement from the Jamaican government sometime today based on the time difference between Germany, and the family members should also be informed by then. Germany is 6 hours ahead of Jamaica. Dr. Keel was posted in Jamaica in August of this year. This has been Links W7 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.